Today we'll talk about how can you select automatically delete messages on your Zello app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Zello app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, just click here on options, so just click on it here, come to next step here, then all you have to do, so you just click here on history, just click on it here, then you come to this list, you come here to automatically delete messages, click in this sign, then here you select here automatically delete messages on your Zello app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.